So for today's video, I'll be showing some different NFT projects that I've gotten myself into. There's 3 of them. There's this one I'm currently on right now. It's called Space Poggers. It's on Ethereum. The next one on Apeswap for the NFAs, so they're non-fungible apes. And the last one, which is probably the one I put the most amount in, is called the Polygon Punks. So the first one I'm going to talk about are these Space Poggers. I found these ones and they looked pretty interesting. And they are on Ethereum, which I haven't really used that much. And with Ethereum, to get my money over, it actually costed about $30 for me to send my funds through a bridge. I'm not sure if that was a good play. It might be a cheaper way to do it. That's what I did. I paid about $30 to bridge it over to Ethereum. Once I did, and I went to the Discord page, and then under the Space Poggers Discord page, they have a section over here on the announcements that says that you can get in the pre-sales live on this Google form. But it says 0.078. You send it over. You can see, and you have to send it to an address. I hope this is okay. I send it over to this address, and I fill out the form. So the other one, the non-fungible apes. Right now, I'm trying to get one of these in the auction. I want to get one of these cheap ones. I just want to get a cheap one to be part of the NFAs. The one that I put most of my in, and it's a pretty interesting project, are called the Polygon Punks. So recently, just a few days ago, they had a minting process. There's 10,000 of these Polygon Punks, which are basically the crypto punks, but for Polygon. So they take the exact same 10,000 and they change the background of the Polygon Punks to make them a little bit different. Then see minting's done. I minted 2 of them, and each one costs around 125 Matic, so maybe a little bit more than $140, maybe somewhere around there. When you minted one, when it's available, it's kind of like a blind box. So you click mint and you get a random one. Each one has like a ranking. So under mine, and you see the yellow ones are rare because the rank is in the middle. And you can see my rank is 127 for this yellow one and 7,753 for this one. So this one looks pretty good. 127 rank out of 10,000 versus this one, which is a common then because it's really high. And then what you do with these Polygon Punks is then you can put them on the market. So the market right now is on NFT Trade. This is the marketplace. And so lots of people list their Polygon Punks onto the market. People can buy and sell. I put this guy on for around 10,000 Matic. I paid 125 Matic. I'm looking for 10,000 Matic. And the reason is because there's a derivative project that came out a lot sooner than this Polygon Punks, and they're doing the same thing as the Polygon Punks, and they have a lot of crazy sales. So this one is kind of like the same as my guy. You got like the green skin zombie, and see this guy recently sold for 17,000 US dollars. That's why I think I can probably get someone to buy this for 10,000, and then they'll try to sell it back for maybe like 20,000. So that's what I want to try and do. I got one offer from someone. They tried to get it for me for 1,000. But no way. No way am I taking a small offer like that. Oh, anyways, so it's all the NFT plays I was interested in. Space Poggers, NFAs, and these Polygon Punks. The Polygon Punks are what I have right now. I'm most excited for. To hopefully make some good money off of this yellow one.